He was horribly sorry for what had happened, and he made a decision early on that he was going to accept responsibility and put it behind him. I think he was, in a strange way, looking forward to the day so he can be on his way to jail and start the process of serving his sentence. And so when he's released from custody, whenever that turns out to be, he can get on with his life. I think until today, it was always out there in the future, and it was something that he wanted to get finished, so he did it today. And I think he's probably relieved that part of it's behind him.
The 3 years, I don't want to say a fairly standard, but a reasonable and expected outcome?
I think so. I think that's consistent with the jurisprudence in this province, and so that's what I think. I think it's a fair sentence.
Do you have any comments after that he wanted to relate?
I haven't spoken to him since he was sentenced. He went into the cells, and I spent a few minutes with his parents explaining what to expect from here. So I don't have anything. I know that I really had a sense that he was glad that this part of it's done so we can move forward.
3 years, the judge seemed to think that was high.
I'm not sure he did. I think he thought it was fair. He said it was consistent with the decisions from the Ontario Court of Appeal, and I don't think he had difficulty with it. It was by way of a joint submission, experienced counsel, and he has an obligation to accept a joint submission by experienced counsel unless it's unreasonable, and essentially he found it was reasonable, it was within the range, and I don't think he had any hesitation in imposing that sentence.
Your client doesn't have any kind of prior history, no record?
Nothing. That's the sad thing about these impaired driving cases. It's the people who otherwise live law-abiding lives, and then they make a tragic mistake, and it costs. And I'm not sure how the message is ever disseminated to the public about that, but it seems to be something that happens probably far too frequently. It's tragedy for him, his family, and of course for the family of the person who passed. And it's just something that just leaves you sort of feeling sad when it's all said and done, quite frankly, for everybody.